기분 좋은 설레임 운동화 끈을 메고서 떠나는 내 뒷모습 초라해 보이지만 바람은 따라 내 맘도 따라.
We're going to use the chive to make a Chinese chive pocket. First, I'm going to make the dough. 500 gram all-purpose flour, 5 grams salt, and divide it into half. This half with 150 grams boiling hot water. This half with 150 grams of cold water. Now I'm going to use a hand to make into a dough. It's a very soft dough, so we don't need to be very smooth. And just leave it here for 20 minutes and cover with a towel. Now I'm going to wash the chives. First, I'm going to wash the chives. Get rid of the dirt and the grass first. Now I'm going to wash the chives. Give a good rinse to get rid of all the dirt. All the chives are cleaned and washed. I will let it dry. In the meantime, I'm going to make the eggs. 5 large eggs. Turn on the heat to high. Let the pan to get very hot. Once you see the smoke, put some oil, vegetable oil. Because we are not using meat today, so we can put a little bit more oil. Once you see the smoke again, and turn the heat to medium high, and pour the egg. Stir the egg. Let the liquid touch to the bottom so it can cook quicker. And don't need to be cooked very long. Now we can just turn off the heat and leave it aside, let it cool down. Now I'm going to cut the chives. Smells so fresh. Put the chives in a big bowl. Going to put some sesame oil into the chives so can lock the water inside the chives. It won't be very liquidy when we make the pocket. I'm going to put it aside and make some ginger. Two pieces of garlic. Put the garlic into the chives. And now get the eggs. Also put it in there. Some dry shrimps, I will already wash it. I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. Now I'm going to add all the seasoning. First, ginger powder, half teaspoon ginger powder, white pepper, quarter teaspoon, peppercorn powder, half teaspoon, garlic powder, half teaspoon, 5 spice powder, half teaspoon, soy sauce, 2 teaspoon, oyster sauce, 2 teaspoon, dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon. If you like a darker color, you can add more. 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 teaspoons salt, and mix them well. Put the dry shrimp in and mixed with the chives. Okay, the filling is ready. The dough had been resting for half hour. It's very soft. Sprinkle some flour on the surface. Just working on half of the dough. Cut into even pieces, 6 of them, each of them about 50 grams. Put it aside. Now going to work on the other half. Now going to make the pocket wrap. Once it becomes a bigger size, we can roll it like this. It's okay if the side is not very rounded. We're going to cut the edges after. You will see. It just needs to be at the same and we can. Now going to make the pocket. Put the filling on the half of the wrap and cover with the other half. Now find a bowl or a plate. Take the edge and one is ready. I show you another way to do it. If you like the crust, you probably will like this one. Turn on the heat to medium high and pour some oil on the fry pan. Put the pocket in and brush some oil on the top as well. Cover it with a lid. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on one side. After 2 minutes, let's have a look and turn to the other side. Crispy brown. Cook it for another 2 minutes on this side. After 2 minutes, let the pocket stand up and cook the bottom for 1 minute. Totally take 5 minutes. It's all cooked. I'm going to cut one and to show you the inside. The outside very crispy. Look at the inside of the pocket. The chive pocket goes well with the corn soup. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
누구도 내게